Hey guys, what's happening? How to share a Facebook post to Instagram. So go ahead and open up your Facebook. Then what you're gonna do, go ahead and click the menu at the bottom right. Go to the settings gear at the top right. Then go to the account center or meta. Alright, scroll a little bit down right here to find account. Go ahead and click account. And make sure to add your Instagram account by clicking add account. Right? And then of course add the code sent by Facebook 369 then hit continue. Alright, then continue to sign in using your Instagram credentials. Right, after you added your Instagram account, what you're gonna do, simply add a post. So I'm gonna add a post by clicking the plus button, hit post. I'll say hi. If I wanted to add a picture, just give access to your camera roll. Say I'm gonna add this picture, and next to the album you're gonna see an Instagram logo. Go ahead and click, and as you can see, you're gonna be able to control the account center, and then you're gonna go ahead and click reset settings, and then just turn on the access. Right, just go back. Now you can, this post cannot be shared to Instagram, but basically you can go ahead and enter the account center or meta and allow, right, and give access, and then you're gonna be able to share your posts to Instagram account, to your Instagram account. So that's another comment to this video. Hope you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for